Hi guys! Welcome to Red Residences. So sa mga nagbabalak dyan mag-Airbnb business for as low as 400k, this video is for you. Red Residences is located in Chino Rosas in Makati, near Makati Medical Center. And these are the three types of units that we offer. So if you want to move in with less than 400k, scan this QR code and I will teach you how.